Good morning. I am here in a garden in Sedona, Arizona that I helped plant, and I just wanted to share with you one of the ways that I am helping ground myself during this pandemic and being at home. So I had a garden quite a bit bigger than this about 6 or 7 years ago in my house in Gilbert, Arizona. It was 40 by 50 feet backyard, so pretty much the whole backyard was a garden. And so when I was gardening, I was growing everything as organically as possible, and it helped ground me quite a bit. I was going through a lot during that time. My mom was ill and dying of cancer, and just seeing something joyful every day of a new fruit or vegetable growing was very helpful for me to get through that time. And so during this pandemic, about a month ago, I started planting some seeds and a couple little transplants, and just to help me get more in touch with nature. And so here's kind of the result from it. This morning, I was very, very excited to see that I had a really red strawberry and some bright, gorgeous zucchini flowers. So I'm going to try to show you those just because I'm excited about it. You can see this right here this flower right here is a type that's called buttercup squash. I'm not sure what that is, but and now down here, I am gonna try to get, there's my red strawberry. I put this rock next to it just because I didn't want the birds to get it. But I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you. Sorry for the jumble. But here's the zucchini flowers. This morning we got one. It's already starting to close a little bit. But down there is another flower. And you can even see if I can get to it, is a zucchini. Trying to get to it. I don't know if you can see that right in there. It's a zucchini that's growing. But beyond that, we're gonna walk down a little bit. So I have Swiss chard growing right there. I don't know if you can see that. And we're gonna come down to sunflowers right there, and watermelon, and then some tomatoes over there. But the best part, you're just gonna follow me down here, is this is something that everyone can do because you don't need to have a yard. And see these right here? These are potato bags. And so I'm gonna come down to the very end one because there we go. Look at what's inside this one. Potatoes, yellow Yukon gold potato plants. And so what I did is, you can get these bags online, or you can make your own. Put some dirt in it, and then I took when you have a potato that's starting to have a little bit of a sprout off of it, I just took a sliver of the actual potato and stuck it in the ground. And after 2 weeks, this is what I have. And so I'll actually add more dirt, so then it gives more area for the potato plant to throw off roots. I don't know if you can see like the little fuzzy hairs here. Those can turn into more roots and more potatoes if I put more dirt in the bag. So in a few months, I should have potatoes. But I just wanted to share that with you. If you are thinking about growing a garden, even something as simple as doing a potato bag is a lot of fun, and it just gives you great joy to go out and check something and know that you have grown something and done something a little bit creative. And thanks for joining today. Have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye.